Hello everyone, my name is Zach Hartley and welcome back to another video. Today, I have some big news to share on behalf of BetaPro by GlobalX, a long-standing sponsor of mine and Canada's largest provider of leveraged, inverse, and inverse leveraged ETFs. And BetaPro has just launched 3x leveraged and 3x inverse leveraged ETFs, and they're available on two of the most important stock indices in the world, the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. In this video, I'm going to break down what these new ETFs do, how they work, and why they matter for active and sophisticated day traders. Let's start with the basics though. Leveraged ETFs are designed to amplify the daily performance of an index using financial tools called forward contracts, a type of derivative contract. These funds come in both bull and bear versions, giving you the potential to profit whether the market is rising or falling. If the index gains 1% in a day, a 3x leveraged ETF could return 3%. But the same logic applies in reverse. If the index drops 1%, the ETF could fall by 3%. This is why leveraged ETFs are intended for short-term day trading, not long-term holding. They are powerful, but you need to manage your risk carefully. Inverse leveraged ETFs, also known as bear ETFs, are instruments that profit from a decline in the value of an underlying asset and typically should only be used on a short-term or daily basis. Trading bear ETFs is akin to holding short positions, which involves borrowing securities in a margin account and selling them with the hope of rebuying them at a lower price, though it carries some unique risks. It's important to note that some experts advise caution due to factors like potential underperformance over extended periods. Leveraged ETFs can amplify index returns, enhancing daily gains, but also magnifying daily losses in downturns, and they can incur rapid daily losses if trends reverse. Conduct your research, assess your risk tolerance, and consult with professionals before incorporating them into your strategy. So what are the new products? Well, for the S&P 500, we have TSPX. This is the BetaPro 3X S&P 500 Daily Leveraged Bull Alternative ETF. And we also have the SSPX BetaPro 3X S&P 500 Daily Leveraged Bear Alternative ETF. Then for the NASDAQ, we have TQQQ. This is the BetaPro 3X NASDAQ 100 Daily Leveraged Bull Alternative ETF. And then to round it out, we have SQQQ, which is the BetaPro 3X NASDAQ 100 Daily Leveraged Bear Alternative ETF. Now, if you have traded BetaPro's 2x leveraged S&P 500 ETFs like SPXU and SPXD, or the NASDAQ 100 ETFs QQU and QQD, then this is a natural step forward for traders looking to take things further. Now, here's the most important and most exciting part. BetaPro is rebating the management fee by 50 basis points on these new ETFs until December 31st of 2025, plus applicable sales taxes, making them the lowest cost 3x leveraged ETFs currently available globally with FX hedging, a key consideration for Canadian investors. That is a significant advantage for cost-conscious day traders who want to access high-powered tools without paying the high fees. So how can you use them? Well, there are a few common strategies. Number one is to take advantage of short-term momentum in rising markets with the bull ETFs. Number two is to express a bearish view or hedge your portfolio with the bear ETFs without the need for a margin account or complex short selling. And number three here, the most exciting, is tactical trading, where you are going to use them for brief targeted trades around key events or technical levels. BetaPro ETFs include both 3x leveraged and 3x inverse leveraged strategies designed to deliver triple the daily performance or the inverse of a specific underlying index. These products use leveraged investment techniques, which means they have the potential to magnify both the gains and the losses, often resulting in more volatile returns. It's important to note that these ETFs aim to track their target index on a daily basis. Because of how daily compounding works, the returns over longer periods can look very different from the index's actual performance, sometimes even moving in the opposite direction. Like all investment products, these ETFs do come with risks. In addition to leveraged risk, they may also be exposed to more aggressive investment risk and price volatility, among others, as outlined in their prospectus. Another factor to consider is hedging costs. These are charged to the ETF and can reduce the value of the forward price, which ultimately impacts overall performance. So now that you have that understanding, how can you buy them? Well, just enter the ticker symbol TSPX, SSPX, TQQQ, or SQQQ into any brokerage and type in your order and execute the trade like you would with any other ETF. As a reminder, BetaPro by GlobalX still offers 2x leveraged versions, SPXU and SPXD for the S&P 500, and QQU and QQD for the NASDAQ 100. I will include a link to the BetaPro website in the video description so you can see all of the available options and do your research to find what works best for you. If you have any questions though, please check out the FAQ on their website or reach out to their team. Thank you to GlobalX for sponsoring this video and for bringing these innovative, low-cost, 3x leveraged ETFs to Canadian investors. Good luck trading, and I will see you in the next one.